I noticed that he had difficulty understanding it. Did you notice that she got thinner? When did you notice that he couldn't do it anymore? Didn't you notice that he kept trying to get your attention? Did you notice where she wound up going? Who noticed that they weren't talking to each other anymore? When did you notice that she must have been gone? Did you notice if he was interested in taking a trip there with her? Didn't you notice that that is what he wanted to get for her? Didn't you notice that they had a lot of fun being together? Who noticed that you weren't there to help them study? Did she notice that they happened to charge her twice for that? Who noticed that she got him to take it? Did you notice that she had nothing to bring to the party? Didn't you notice how beautiful she became? Did you notice that all he does is make excuses when you ask him? Did she notice how well he plays the piano? What did you notice that looked strange in her bedroom? Didn't you notice that he's been crying since she left? Who noticed that it seemed that she felt guilty about it? Did she notice where the gift you bought her came from?